In this short video, I'm going to demonstrate how to raise an invoice within Xero. So we are on the dashboard, and on the right hand side here, you can see our add icon. This is where we go to add any documents or create a contact. So we click on there, and the first option is an invoice. Now, obviously, being in the demo company, some of what you see here won't be relevant to your business, but we'll work our way through. And first of all, we enter a contact. If you start typing, it will bring up a suggested contact. If you want to add a new contact, you simply click here and you can enter their name, their email address, their postal address, delivery address, and phone number should you wish. You press save, and this information will be saved within Xero for the next time. The issue date will automatically be populated to today's date, but it can be changed. The due date will be automatically populated to your business settings, so whether that's 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. A little hint here, if you want to change it, you can put in plus 14 and it will change the due date to 14 days' time. The invoice number is again automatically populated and they follow on in sequence. The reference is a field for you to put in anything that is necessary. You could reference to another document, but that's for internal use. If you do have online payment methods set up, such as Go Cardless or Stripe, they will be shown here. You can manage and remove them on an invoice by invoice basis. Now, generally, we'd be invoicing in pounds, and normally you'll be on a standard theme, but you can create different invoice themes should you wish. We have our VAT registered clients set up as tax exclusive, so you'd be entering the net amounts in these fields. Items is really handy if you're going to be selling the same products or services over and over again. You can choose from these options. Obviously not golf balls for most, but you can create your own items. You can enter the details and then that item is saved for next time and it saves you typing out descriptions each time. You can also add your products and services within the business tab right at the bottom, products and services. So if you've got a few to add, you can do it there. So we'll manually type in a description and then a quantity, the unit price. Then if you're using Xero's default chart of accounts, the account will be 200 sales. The tax rate is 20% VAT on income. VAT can vary dependent on industry, but generally it'll be your 20%. Now, if you do wish to use tracking categories to track various areas of your business, you can do, and you can choose them on your invoice. Likewise, you can track income and expenditure for particular projects. That can also be entered at the point of raising an invoice. Now, you'll see we get the total automatically populated, as does the VAT. If we change the quantity, the total, net, and VAT and gross all change accordingly. Here we have the option to upload a file. You may have a job sheet or something like that that you want the customer to see. You simply upload it here from your PC. History and notes shows a full audit trail of this invoice, shows you when it was raised, when it was edited, by whom, when the customer has opened it and seen it, which is really handy when they tell you they've never seen it. So that's a good area to use down here. You can also add a note. So you could add expected to be paid, for example, on the 1st of July. So your team will see those notes. Then if you're done with the invoice, but you think you might need to add something on, you can save and close. That will keep it as a draft. You can then refer back to it later. At that point, it's not actually hitting any financial reports. When you're happy it's good and you want the customer to receive a copy, you can simply click approve and email. Approve means it's hitting your financial reporting, and obviously email, it's going to email directly to the customer. This template email can be changed. It is fully customizable, but you can see it automatically fills in the customer's name, the amount, the invoice number. You click send, the customer's got the invoice. Really quick and easy. You also do have the option to, before we've done that, so you can just approve it. So it sits there and you can go back to it later. You can print it as a PDF or you can email it. Obviously here we've got print PDF. You can preview it. Then once you've done that one, you can click create another invoice if you have multiple to create, or you can just go back to your dashboard.